Hey guys, what's up? We just finished another Baja Grocery Getter kit and we want to share it with you. Let's go take a look at it. Here it is. This thing is awesome. This thing is all murdered out. I really like it. Did something a little different. We're running on this one. We're running a set of the Black Rhino wheels. So this is a 17-inch wheel that we're doing on a 285. This customer thinks that he might want to go to 35-inch tires lately, or not lately, but might want to go to 35-inch tires later. So look at all this room. So we move this wheel forward a ton in order to give him that clearance so that he can be able to run a bigger tire later on if that's what he decides to do. You can see up here we trimmed the bumper a little bit, but once again this kit got just the Baja Grocery Getter kit. So if you're curious, like, oh, you know, you see a lot of our other builds and it may be a Baja Grocery Getter kit, but it has a lot of other components on it. This is just a Baja Grocery Getter kit. This is how awesome your van is going to look with our suspension lift kit on it. So just go ahead and take a look in the back. Super straightforward. Blocks, U-bolts in the rear, new Fox shocks in the rear. This thing sits really nice. I'd love to take you guys outside, but Austin will complain that his camera will get all wet, he'll melt, you know, we can't have that. We want to keep making these awesome videos for you guys, but this thing just, I mean, it sits really nice. It's really level, maybe just a little bit high in the back than in the front, but overall looks really nice. So we just kind of wanted to show you overall just the Baja Grocery Getter kit by itself, how awesome it looks. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy another one of our Ford E-Series lift kits. This customer's from Vegas, so if you're in Vegas, maybe you'll see it driving around. We'll see you guys later. I'm gonna go, maybe I'll go play in the rain, you know? Like, it doesn't rain here that often. Whoa, rain, rain. So, see you guys later.